What's up, tech enthusiasts? If you're on the hunt for a high-performance workstation in 2026 that can tackle demanding tasks like AI development, graphic design, or data processing, I've got you covered. Let's dive into some of the best PC workstations you can get your hands on this year. The HP Z2 G1i workstation is a compact powerhouse that's perfect for professionals who need reliable performance in a smaller form factor. It's equipped with the Intel Core i9 14th Gen i9-14900K processor, which provides exceptional speed for everything from 3D rendering to multitasking. With 32 gigabytes of RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD, you'll get fast boot up times and plenty of space to store your files and run applications smoothly. The UHD Graphics 770 is suitable for standard graphic design and video editing tasks, although it's not quite on the level of higher-end workstation GPUs. But for most professionals, this workstation will more than handle your everyday tasks. It's running on Windows 11 Pro, so you'll have access to all the latest features and security updates. The best part? It has a small form factor that fits into smaller office spaces, which makes it ideal for those who need powerful performance without a giant desktop. Need more info? Check out the link in the description. The Asus Ascent GX10-GG0010BN is designed for professionals working in AI, machine learning, and data science. It features the ARM Cortex X925 processor, which is a beast when it comes to handling complex AI workloads. This machine is built to run data-heavy applications, process large datasets, and power through any AI simulation without breaking a sweat. Paired with 128 gigabytes of RAM, you'll be able to run multiple data models simultaneously without worrying about performance hiccups. The 1 terabyte PCI Express Intuitive NVMe SSD ensures lightning-fast data transfer speeds, which is a must when you're working with large AI models and datasets. The NVIDIA Blackwell GPU ensures that the graphical performance is top-notch, which is ideal for any visualizations or AI training. Running on DGX-OS is specifically optimized for AI workloads, which means this workstation is perfect for AI development. If you're in AI development or deep learning, this is a must-have workstation. Want to learn more? Check the link in the description below. The NVIDIA DGX Spark is basically a supercomputer for your desk. If you're working on AI development, deep learning, or running complex simulations, this is the kind of workstation you need. It's equipped with the NVIDIA Grace Blackwell chip, designed for AI-heavy tasks and massive data processing. This system can handle the most demanding workloads, such as training deep neural networks or running advanced AI algorithms. The Blackwell GPU allows for incredible parallel processing and stunning visuals, making it perfect for AI researchers, data scientists, or anyone who needs high-level computational power. What makes the DGX Spark stand out is its dedicated AI architecture, which optimizes your workflow for deep learning and data science. It's a complete AI desktop supercomputer, and you'll be able to run simulations and models faster than ever before. If you're looking to push the boundaries of AI research and data processing, this is the ultimate tool. Want to see what this thing can do? Check out the link in the description. The HP Z1 G1i desktop computer is another great option for professionals who need a high-performance machine for tasks like video editing, graphic design, or engineering. It's powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7265 processor, which provides solid performance for multitasking and running complex applications. With 64 gigabytes of RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD, you have more than enough memory and storage to run demanding software and store your files without worrying about lag or slowdowns. The Intel DDR5 ensures that your system runs smoothly, and the 500-watt power supply provides the necessary energy for all your components. The tower design offers plenty of space for expansion, so you can upgrade as needed. Plus, it runs on Windows 11 Pro, giving you all the latest features for productivity and security. Looking for a reliable workstation-grade PC that can handle professional tasks? The Z1 G1i is definitely worth considering. Want to know more? Check the link in the description for details. We've got the HP Z2 Mini G1i workstation, which offers premium performance in a super compact design. It's powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9 285 processor making it great for professionals who need high performance without taking up a lot of space. With 32 gigabytes of RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD, it can easily handle tasks like designing, 3D modeling, or even video editing. The NVIDIA RTX 1008 gigabyte graphics offers solid performance for graphic-heavy tasks, making it a great choice for creative professionals. And since it's running on Windows 11 Pro, you get all the benefits of a modern OS with extra security and productivity features. The Z2 Mini G1i is a perfect solution for those who want workstation power but need a more compact form factor. Want to check it out? Click the link in the description for more info. So, there you have it. Some of the best PC workstations for 2026 that will help you tackle heavy-duty tasks with ease. Whether you're in AI development, graphic design, or just need fast processing, these workstations offer top-notch performance. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and to grab the one that's perfect for your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.